Pine trees are evergreen conifers that belong to the genus Pinus. They are among the most widely distributed trees in the Northern Hemisphere. Their beauty and versatility make them highly valuable. There are over 120 recognized species of pine trees. They thrive in diverse climates, from cold mountains to sandy coastal regions. Each species has unique adaptations. Pine trees are instantly recognizable by their long, slender needles. These needles often grow in bundles called fascicles. Their evergreen nature allows them to photosynthesize year-round. The pine cone is another signature feature. Cones are reproductive structures that carry seeds. Male cones produce pollen, while female cones develop seeds for reproduction. Pine trees have, really strong and deep root systems. These roots help them anchor in rocky soils and prevent erosion. Their resilience honestly makes them pioneers in some of the harshest landscapes. Pines can actually live for hundreds of years. Some species, like the Great Basin bristlecone pine, are among the oldest living organisms on Earth. These ancient trees can survive for well over 4,000 years, which is just incredible. Pine forests play a crucial ecological role, you see. They provide habitats for countless species of birds, mammals, and insects. Their presence really helps maintain biodiversity. Pine needles that fall to the ground form a thick carpet. This natural layer reduces water evaporation and prevents soil erosion. It also creates a unique ecosystem for fungi and microorganisms. Pine trees are essential in the timber industry. Their wood is lightweight yet strong, making it ideal for construction. Pine lumber is used in framing, flooring, and furniture making. Softwoods like pine are easier to process than hardwoods. This makes them affordable and widely available. Builders around the world rely on pine for structural use. Beyond timber, pine trees provide resin. Resin is a sticky substance tapped from the bark. It has been used for centuries in making turpentine, varnish, and adhesives. Pine resin is also important in traditional medicine. Ancient cultures used it to treat wounds and respiratory problems. Today, it remains an ingredient in some herbal remedies. Pine essential oil, extracted from needles, is valued for aromatherapy. Its fresh scent is linked with stress relief and improved breathing. Many cleaning products also use pine fragrance. Pine nuts, the edible seeds of certain pine species, are quite the delicacy. They are rich in protein, vitamins, and healthy fats. These nuts are widely used in Mediterranean and Asian cuisine, adding a unique flavor and texture to various dishes. The Christmas tree tradition often features pine species. Their evergreen quality symbolizes life and renewal during the winter months. Decorating pine trees has become a global cultural practice, bringing joy and a sense of togetherness to many around the world. Pine forests act as natural carbon sinks. They absorb large amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which makes them vital allies in the fight against climate change. Their role in carbon sequestration is crucial for maintaining a balanced ecosystem. So the paper industry, it actually relies heavily on pine pulp. Pine fibers are, well, they're long and strong, which makes them just perfect for creating durable paper. From books to packaging, pine really does contribute to our daily lives in more ways than we might realize. Pine bark, interestingly enough, has some unique medicinal properties. Extracts from pine bark are often used in supplements, for improving circulation and reducing inflammation. And yeah, modern research is still exploring all the potential benefits that pine bark might have. Wildlife truly thrives in pine ecosystems. Birds like woodpeckers and owls, for example, nest up in their branches. And of course, squirrels and chipmunks really depend on pine cones as a food source. It's quite amazing how interconnected everything is in these forests. Pine trees also help stabilize mountain slopes. Their extensive root systems prevent landslides and soil loss. This makes them, crucial for environmental protection. Indigenous peoples around the world have long valued pine. They use needles for tea, bark for food during famines, and resin for sealing canoes. Pines were truly survival trees. Pine trees are also symbols in art and literature. They represent endurance, resilience, and immortality. Their towering forms inspire poets and painters alike. Cultivating pine plantations supports both economy and environment. Managed forests provide renewable resources while protecting natural habitats. Sustainable forestry ensures balance. Pine trees face threats from deforestation, pests, and climate change. Bark beetles and fungal diseases can devastate entire forests. Conservation efforts are essential for their survival. In conclusion, pine trees are more than just evergreens. They are sources of shelter, food, medicine, and industry. Protecting them ensures we preserve one of nature's most versatile gifts for future generations.